Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute robot. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the robot's square rectangle head shape. So it's kind of a curved rectangle with curved edges or corners. So here we are. Let's start here, and we'll go this way, all the way across. And then we'll curve the corner, and we'll come back down, and then we'll curve this corner, and now we'll go this way all the way to about here, and then we'll curve up, and we're going to connect it back up here. Up, and then connect it there. There's his head. Okay, now let's draw an antenna on top. So let's do a curved line here where the antenna connects to the top of the head. And then two straight parallel lines going up. One up this way and one up this way. And now connected to those lines, let's do a circle connected to it. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. That. Okay, now let's draw some robot ears. So on this side, we're going to do kind of a curved ear shape that goes down like this. And we're going to do one on this side over here as well. Like that. Okay, now let's draw the robot's body now. We're going to give him a neck here. So right at the bottom of the head, we'll do a straight line down, a little tiny one, and a straight line down on that side. Remember, you can pause to catch up. Now let's draw the body. This is going to be another square rectangle shape. Actually, it's more of a square, I think. So let's start where the neck is and draw all the way around here. Ready? Here we go. This is a long line, so take your time. There's no rush. And we'll curve the corners like we did with the head. And we'll bring it down here and then curve this corner. And now we'll bring it this way. And we'll curve this corner here. And we'll come back up. And we'll curve this corner. And then we'll connect it to where we started. So there's the robot's body. Okay, now let's draw the face. And then we'll draw the arms and legs. So let's do the face. We'll start with a smile in the middle, the lower middle of the head here. So let's just draw a smile like that. It's a happy robot. And now let's do two eyes. We'll do a circle on this side and a circle on this side. So starting about here, let's do a circle. And we'll do one on this side. That. And then inside that circle, let's do a smaller circle for the highlights. So one like this and one like that. Okay, let's color them in black. And this side too. Okay, now let's draw the arms and legs of the robot. So starting over here, we're going to do a shoulder, and it's kind of a C-shaped half circle. That, and we'll do the same on the other side. Like that. And now we'll draw the arms as two parallel curved lines here. So one down like this, and then at this point, up curved one down like that. And it's going to be connected to his hand, which only has two fingers. So we'll do a little curved line like that and a curved line down like that. And let's do hands are kind of like a crab's claw. It's just 2. And we'll do some, let's do some thin lines here that make it look very robot-y. Kind of tube arms. So let's do the other arm here. So the same thing on this side. So let's start here on the shoulder and we'll do a curved line down like that. And a curved line down like that. And let's close it off. And then lines down, a line down on this side. And now let's do the claw hands. Like that. Okay, and then let's do our little stripy lines along the arm. And then one more like that. Okay, now let's draw the legs. So we'll start right about here. We'll draw one leg down like that, line like that, and one line down like that. And let's close it off with a curved line. And let's do the same over here. One down like this. And one down like this. And let's close it off with a curved line. And we'll do our little detail lines on the robot legs to make them look like tubes. And let's draw the feet now. So starting about here, we'll have the leg go inside of the foot shape. And we'll curve the line down like this and back up. And we'll add a little line here. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting here, we'll do a curved line down like that. And then we're going to hook it around the bottom of the foot and then back up. They're kind of like robot boots on him. There we go. And now, since it's a cute robot, let's do a heart right in the middle of his body. So starting here, we're going to do this side of the heart. And then back where we started, we'll do this side of the heart. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm going to make mine gray, but you can make your robot any color you want. Okay, let's do his arms a little bit of a darker gray. And legs too. And his ears. And his neck. And maybe the top. And last but not least, let's make his heart pink. Remember to always sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe for a new doodle every day.